All right. Today we have the Fast and Furious Nissan GT-R from Legos. All right, let's open this baby up. How do we open this?
Let's open this big boy.
Okay, so
Let's open this bad boy.
let's open this bad boy. I think.
Yeah, let's open it. Let's open this bad boy. But I think I know. You have to take off that. Yeah, that you're so strong. And you're so strong. And why are you so strong?
Okay, wait.
And why are you so strong?
Oh, there we go. There we go. We got it. Wait. Hold on. Okay, we got this part. How do we? Wait.
Oh.
Okay, we gotta do this carefully. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, baby.
All right. Oh my God, this is gonna take a while.
Yeah, this is gonna take a while. That you know why?
Right, put this over here.
That you know why?
Why?
Yeah, there's a lot of instructions we have to do.
Step 1. All right, we need to do this one first. All right, we'll put this one to the side. All right, we gotta follow the book. All right, we gotta follow the book.
Okay, open it. Let's see what we need.
Oh, look, we could do it on Builder with the app on Lego Builder. All right, step 1.
Step 1.
We gotta open this bag.
Open that bad boy. Open that.
Okay,
Open that
let's
bad
open
boy.
it right here.
Then open that bad boy. Open it.
All right,
Open it.
and we gotta empty all these things out. Make sure we don't drop anything. Careful.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Open that.
Wait.
No,
Wait.
open it.
All right,
Wait,
it doesn't say
open it.
this. It doesn't say open that. All right, first we gotta find Paul Walker or Brian O'Connor. Okay. All right. Wait. We gotta follow this instruction right here, Jay.
Okay.
All right, Jay. So we gotta follow this guy. All right. So I found the body, or I found the body in the head.
I found a hair.
You found the hair, or give me the hair.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Look at this guy.
But
Look
yeah,
at it. Look at that. Wait. Can I see it? Can I see it? Wait, hold on. Let me see. Ooh, look at that.
Like,
Oh, it's not focusing.
I need the hair again.
Okay, put this hair.
Again.
It's probably gonna take a while, so we might kind of.
Speed run. They must speed run this.
Yeah. Legs. Now we need the little wrench. Where is the little wrench? Hey, where's the wrench? We found the little wrench. Yeah, look at the wrench.
Wait, see this.
Alright, so Paul Walker needs to build his own car. Alright, Paul Walker needs to build his own car. Alright, there you go. We found Brian O'Connor. Alright. Brian L. Spinner. Next step is we gotta find this one. Wait, look. We gotta find this one. Find the blue one. The blue one that only has one. I think it's gonna be this one. Nope, not that one.
I found it. Yeah, I found it.
No, it's not that one. Look at it. It's only one.
Yeah,
Because then there'll be a shame. Okay, I found one. Alright, so I guess this could go any way. So we'll put this one in this corner right here.
I found it. I found it.
What?
Love when you put your hands on me. Trust me, touch me, give you a good time. Touch me. Love when you put your hands on me. Love when you put your hands on me. Give you a good time. Give you a good. Give you a good time. Give you a good. Touch me. Love when you put your hands on me. Touch me. Love when you put your hands on me. Touch me. Love when you put your hands on me. Trust me. Touch me. Give you a good time. Touch me. Love when you put your hands on me. Give you a good time. Give you a good. Give you a good time.